Hi guys, this is Maya with Plant-Based DFW, and in today's video I will speak to you about the food delivery service called Splendid Spoon. Watch till the very end so that you can hear my honest opinion about Splendid Spoon. And make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button so that you'll be informed every single time we upload to our channel. Hi friends, as many of you know, I have enjoyed sampling meals by Splendid Spoon. I've previously enjoyed the smoothies and their hearty soups. Well, today I'm going to tell you about the light soups that are part of their Reset program. If you're familiar with the longevity diet, which I have mentioned in the past, you would know that Valter Longo recommends that from time to time we give our guts a break. This means reducing our caloric intake about 5 days a month to rest and to reset. And so I decided to give these light soups a try. Some of you may know that I've been testing out a few meals for my road trip to Big Bend National Park with my husband and Papi Chulo, and we will be traveling for about 10 days. So I thought that I would give these soups a try to help my gut relax after days of traveling and sitting for long periods of time. So these soups are perfect as we approach the new year. So let me tell you about the soups. The first soup that I tried was the Butternut Turmeric Soup because I love butternut soup. So now I did have this soup recently as we approached the holidays and found it to be perfect comfort soup. Did you know that butternut squash helps to lower and regulate our blood pressure? In addition, you have the health benefit of turmeric with its anti-inflammatory component. The cauliflower soup was a first for me. The nicely blended navy beans make the soup creamy and healthy because they help to steady our blood sugar. The cauliflower is part of Dr. Michael Greger's daily dozen with the sulforaphane, which can potentially prevent DNA damage and have an anti-cancer property. The fennel consommé reminded me of pozole. It was delicious. The fennel decreases inflammation with phenolic components. You can definitely taste the citrus in this soup. The garden minestrone soup was one of my favorite soups. I love zucchini, and this soup has plenty of it. Zucchini is also very good for the gut. This was probably the best minestrone soup that I've ever had without pasta, and yet with a subtle tomato flavor. In addition, you have the kale, which is also very beneficial. Finally, we have the lentil and kale soup. Now, I've had my share of lentil and kale soups, but this one had rosemary and cinnamon as almost secret ingredients, which also brought out the richness of the lentils. Why reset? There are times when we get off track in our wellness journey and may go a little overboard here and there on high-calorie, nutrient-depleted foods. The Reset soups are low in calories and yet contain vitamins and minerals and may be ideal for people having digestive issues and desiring to give their tummies a rest. The Reset program is made up of Splendid Spoon's 5 lightest soups. The light soups by Splendid Spoon are perfect as you begin the new year. Let's give our bodies time to reset from the holidays. If you're interested in trying out the light soups, look for my discount link in the description box. And Happy New Year. So I have 5 things that I really liked about Splendid Spoon. And number 1, I really like that they are plant-based vegan, which means that they're minimally processed with whole organic ingredients, which leads to number 2, all their products are gluten-free and GMO-free. Number 3, they are easily delivered to your door on a weekly basis, but you can also customize your orders. So if you feel like skipping 1 week, you can do that as well. Number 4, they are ready to eat, so there's no prepping of any kind. And number 5, they are clean eating, low sugar, low sodium, like I said, minimally processed. Okay, so let me know what you think about this video. Would you ever try Splendid Spoon, or have you tried Splendid Spoon? Make sure that you like this video and subscribe for more great videos like this. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe.
Hit that notification button.